Today's tutorial is on headstand with block support. You want to grab 2 blocks and your mat. Place the blocks shoulder width apart. Hands come down right outside of the blocks and behind it. Place your shoulders on the blocks, head comes down onto the mat. You want to place the crown of your head, not your forehead, on the mat. Lift your hips up, wrap your elbows. Make sure they're not splaying out. Walk your feet towards your torso. Bend one leg and see how this feels. You're gonna notice that the weight is on your shoulders. You wanna make sure you're pushing into the mat with your hands and pushing into the blocks with your shoulders. If you're ready, lift the other leg. Stay here if this feels comfortable. If you're feeling like this is okay, go ahead and straighten one leg. If this still feels okay, straighten the other leg. Make sure you're continuing to push into the mat with your hands, engaging the shoulders as well by pushing into the blocks. When you're ready, bend one leg and the other and come down with control. Lift the head and the shoulders off the block. And you are more than welcome to turn around and work this at the wall as well if you're not comfortable away from the wall.